So if you're someone who wants to become a programmer or someone who is just curious about it, there are a lot of misconceptions about programming that you'll come across. And those misconceptions can actually make you feel demotivated if you don't know about them. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about them, and in this video, I'm gonna bust all of them. So the most common myth about programming is that if you want to become a good programmer, you have to go to some kind of university or college or school or get some kind of degree or diploma. But that's not the case. If you are someone who is just learning at your home on your own, you can actually become a lot better programmer than those who are studying at the university. Because at university there are a lot of distraction and a lot more things you learn over there. But at your home on your own, all you have to do is to learn programming. You can practice a lot without a lot of distraction. You can learn all your own. And there are a lot of people who are very successful programmer. They never went to any kind of university. So the second most common misconception about programming is that it only takes a few weeks to learn and master any programming language. Well, a lot of people have this misconception in their mind that if they learn a programming language for some time, they will be able to learn it properly and master it. But that's not the case. If you want to learn some programming language, it takes a lot of time and patience to master it. It may take up to a year, maybe some more year, or maybe some months, but obviously not some weeks. Programming is something that requires a lot of patience and it requires a lot of practice. So you'll have to practice it more and more, just like drawing and driving and everything. You'll need a lot of patience and you'll need a lot more time. The third most common misconception about programming is that you'll have to memorize all the syntaxes of programming language before working on any project. Well, memorizing stuff never helps. Instead, you should focus on getting more and more hands-on experience. This will not only help you memorize frequently used stuff easily, but will also give you the confidence to build anything from the scratch. So just example, if you're spending a few months in some programming project, you'll realize it requires writing the same code over and over again. Be it Google or some kind of integrated development environment like IDE, and more frameworks are equipped with a lot of automated code and compilation features specifically designed to help you pick up programming faster. So you don't need to memorize a lot of syntaxes in any programming language. The fourth most common misconception about programming is that if you really want to become a good programmer, you'll have to know really good mathematics. Well, mathematics can be useful in some projects, but it's not something that is required. Like programming and mathematics are two different topics. Programming can get along without mathematics, but obviously you'll need some basic knowledge of mathematics. But you don't have to be really good at mathematics if you want to become a programmer. So if you are someone who is not good at mathematics and wants to become a programmer, yes, it's possible and you don't have to worry about it. Alright, so the fifth and last most common myth about programming is that if you want to earn money from programming, you actually have to master programming languages. That is a lie actually, because if you notice, a lot of people who are working in big companies, they are not actually really good at all the programming languages that they are working on. The thing is, they are trained for specific purpose and for specific task only, and they work on that task only all the time. So if you are someone who's thinking that you'll have to be really good at any programming language to work on that particular area, you are just being a stupid guy, because nobody is really good at any programming language. When it comes to the work, you actually, with your concept and with your basic knowledge that you have about programming, you learn and you adapt according to whatever work is needed, and you actually get the job done. Alright guys, that was it for the 5 most common misconceptions about programming. If you guys have any doubt, you can join my Discord and ask me there, and I'll make more videos in future. So thank you for watching the videos. Leave a like and comment if you guys think it was helpful for you.